Hi everybody, and welcome to today's guided meditation. This meditation is all about putting you in the state of the wish fulfilled. The more that you tap into this end feeling, the quicker you will program your subconscious mind and the quicker your assumptions will harden into fact. As Neville Goddard says, the feeling is the secret. So during this meditation, try and hold on to that feeling as much as you can. Use all of your senses to make it feel as real as possible. As we begin, let's take a few deep breaths. In for 4 and out for 4. And breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 4. Breathe in for 4, filling your belly up with as much air as possible. Hold for 4, and breathe out for 4. Now that you are feeling more relaxed, I want you to imagine that you can see a whole galaxy above you. You can see the stars, you can see the constellations, you can see all the beautiful bright colours that make up this beautiful universe. It almost looks like something you've seen in a film. It looks powerful. It looks so beautiful. As you're lying under this vast universe, you feel a deep sense of calm. You feel protected. You feel totally provided for. All of a sudden, you see a ray of light coming down and shining directly over you, starting at your toes, going up through your calves and your thighs, through your tummy and your arms. And finally, this light guides up towards your heart chakra, your shoulders, and your head. You can literally feel all this gorgeous energy being poured into you by the universe itself. This energy is pure power. It is the creative force that drives the universe and creates everything that you see in your life. It is a knowing power. It is a godlike power. And it is filling up every cell in your body. Imagine that this light is intensifying, and the brighter it gets, the more powerful you become. Your whole body is being made electric with this creative power. Imagine this light is expanding out of you. The whole room you are in is being filled up with this light that is being guided down by the universe itself. Just take a moment to bask in that energy and really feel how powerful you are. The universe has literally given you so much power. Staying in that feeling, I want you to now imagine that you're sat at a white table on a white chair, and in front of you, with every cell of your body infused with the creative power of the universe, we're now going to imagine that you're sat in a white room with a white chair and a white table. Sat opposite you is your best friend, your parent, your caregiver, your guardian, or whoever you would tell the most important news to first. They are smiling ear to ear. You have just told them that your manifestation is here. It's done. Put a big smile on your face and imagine what that would feel like. Imagine what it would feel like telling them that it's done. It's happened. I want you to imagine such joy on their face as they congratulate you for having received this manifestation. Imagine their mannerisms, imagine their tone of voice, imagine the exact words they would say. They are so excited to see you this happy. You can feel all the joy bouncing from them to you as you share this moment. Keep imagining that scene over and over again. Imagine the moment they say, "You did it. It's yours, you did it." What does that feel like? Where can you feel that in your body? Really bask in that feeling as you repeat this vision over and over again. I want you to remember all the creative power that the universe gave you, and I want you to infuse it in this moment. This scene is done. This is your reality. This end feeling is already yours. As you smile from ear to ear, I just want you to say, "Thank you, universe. Thank you for giving me this experience. Thank you for my manifestation. I know this is already done." I'm going to count you out of this meditation, and you are going to leave knowing that this is already done, that you have programmed your subconscious mind, and you can tap into this feeling state anytime that you wish. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your eyes. You have now programmed your subconscious mind. Repeat this daily for best results. Thank you.